Hey yo, it's Chris O. We're into another wall in this fabulous bathroom. It's going to be a real beaut. Yeah. These tiles are a little bit hard to cut on the cutter. They don't like to break right through. I'm not sure whether they're overfired or what, I don't know. But there's always a way to break them, and I hope that covers with my silicone. If it doesn't, I'll have to cut another one. I'll have a look in a minute. See. If it's, I've got to trim a bit off, I'm too tight. Well, that's good. Oh, it's not too bad. I could do with trimming a little bit off. So that's good. I'm glad I was a little bit tight because just as I was breaking it, it chipped. But yeah, they're a little bit hard to cut. They don't like breaking too easy. That's why I'm always a fan of a bigger profile architrave. You see now I run up there with silicone. Beautiful, mate. Beautiful. People think that because you're tiling with a 6x6 or a 6x12 or 12x6, people think because they're a bigger tile it's faster and all that. Nah, I reckon the fastest tile is a 6x3 on the walls anyway. The fastest to lay, because they're easy to handle. A 6x6 is just getting a little bit too hard to handle, but I like them. They're my favourite. A 6x6, a tile like this. That's my style. This sort of tile, this size. Made a mistake there, people. Because that's yesterday's tile, I'm not able to slide my wedge down. Nice little fine adjustment. I don't have to bother about which way my lines are going in the glue, because there's no water where I'm tiling at the moment. Whooshka. Nice. More tiles. They were saying the temperature is going to be 32, 33 today. But it's always a bit cooler up here, up the mountain. So it'll be 28, 27. Down on the coast.